CES 2023. And this is probably something you're going to see. Well, I've already seen some of these in some of the restaurants here in Vegas. We're in the RuTech Robotic Innovations booth. They are distributors of high-tech and delivery reception vehicles. So there we go. There's one in action right now. Use case scenario for these things, probably in an office, delivering mail, restaurant, delivering food. There's a SwiftBot. There's a smaller unit. Let's follow this guy around. RuTech, Robotic Innovations.